Let's face it, enterprise software can be intimidating. Giant systems with cryptic names, complex procedures, and enough jargon to make your head spin. But fear not, intrepid reader. This guide will demystify one such behemoth, Oracle WebLogic. We'll embark on a straightforward journey, using clear language and practical examples to illuminate the core concepts of this powerful application server. Whether you're a budding developer or a curious system administrator, you'll gain the foundational knowledge to navigate the world of WebLogic with confidence. This isn't a deep dive, but a primer, a roadmap to get you started. So buckle up and let's explore the exciting realm of Oracle WebLogic. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to confidently discuss the basics of WebLogic, its components, and how to get started with it. Ready to conquer the beast? Let's go! Oracle WebLogic is like a high-tech apartment building for your business applications. Imagine a secure, reliable space where your apps can live, work, and interact with each other. That's WebLogic in a nutshell. Technically, it's called an application server. This means it provides the environment and resources for your applications to run smoothly. Think of it as the foundation upon which you build and deploy your software. WebLogic handles all the behind-the-scenes complexities, like managing connections, security, and resources. This lets developers focus on creating great applications without worrying about the nitty-gritty infrastructure. From simple web applications to complex enterprise systems, WebLogic provides a robust and scalable platform to keep your business running smoothly. Now, let's explore the key components of our application apartment building. First, we have the domain. Think of this as the entire building itself. It acts as a container for all our applications and their settings. Within the domain, we have the administration server, the building manager. It controls and configures everything within the domain, ensuring smooth operations. Next are the managed servers, individual apartments where your applications reside. Each managed server can host one or more applications, providing them with the necessary resources. Finally, we have the node manager, the superintendent. It resides on each physical machine and helps start, stop, and monitor the managed servers. Understanding these key components is essential for navigating the WebLogic landscape. Section 4. Installing and setting up WebLogic. Ready to build your application apartment building? The first step is installation, which is surprisingly straightforward. Download the WebLogic installer from Oracle's website and run it. The installer will guide you through the process, asking for basic information like installation directory and components to install. Once installed, you'll create a domain, your building. This involves choosing a name, location, and configuration template. You'll also set up the administration server, your building manager, during this process. Next, you'll configure the node manager, your superintendent, on each machine that will host managed servers. This involves providing connection details and starting the node manager service. Congratulations! You've successfully built your application apartment building. Now, let's learn how to manage it. Section 5. Basic administrative tasks. With your WebLogic environment up and running, it's time to learn some basic administrative tasks. The most common task is deploying applications. This involves packaging your application and uploading it to the administration server. WebLogic will then deploy it to the designated managed server. Another crucial task is configuring data sources. These are connections to databases that your applications use. You'll need to provide connection details and security credentials for each data source. Monitoring your servers is essential for ensuring optimal performance. WebLogic provides tools to monitor server health, resource utilization, and application performance. Finally, you'll need to know how to start and stop your managed servers. This can be done from the administration console or command line, allowing you to control application availability. These are just a few basic administrative tasks. As you become more familiar with WebLogic, you'll discover a wealth of tools and options for managing your applications and environment.